Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have revised everything that you have learned in previous lesson. Do watch the lesson again and do revise again. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. We have already learned counting from 1 to 23 in Urdu. Now let's learn to say 24 in Urdu. In English we say 24 and in Urdu it is 24. 24, 24. Now count from 1 to 24 in Urdu many times for better practice, okay? Alright, now let's understand. In English, for one thing or for singular things, we say is. And in Urdu it is hai. In English we say is and in Urdu hai. Then for plural or more than one things, we say are in English. And in Urdu it is हैं. In English we say are and in Urdu it is हैं. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say is and in Urdu है. Then in English we say are and in Urdu हैं. Okay? Remember that. Now let's begin. Let's learn to say fruit or fruits in Urdu. In English we say fruit and in Urdu it is phal. Phal. Fruit, phal. Now let's learn some fruits names in Urdu. Banana. In English we say banana and in Urdu it is kela. Kela. Banana, kela. Then in English we say apple and in Urdu it is seb. Seb. Apple, seb. Then in English we say orange. Orange. And in Urdu it is Malta. Malta. Orange, Malta. Now let's repeat all of these one more time. In English we say banana and in Urdu it is kela. Kela. Then in English we say apple and in Urdu it is seb. Then in English we say orange and in Urdu it is Malta. Malta. Repeat and revise many times, okay? Alright, now let's learn a few more. In English we say mango and in Urdu it is aam. Aam. Mango, aam. Then in English we say watermelon. Watermelon. And in Urdu it is tarboos. Tarboos. Watermelon, tarboos. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say this is an apple. In English we say this is an apple and in Urdu it is ये एक सेब है. ये एक सेब है और ये सेब है. In the same way we can say anything, any fruit's name. We can say this is a mango and it could be ये आम है, or we can say this is a banana, and in Urdu ये केला है और ये एक केला है. Or for anything you can say it like this. Whatever you are pointing at, you are going to say this is a or this is an dash, and in the dash you are going to say the name of that thing. So for this lesson, practice saying the fruits names in English and then in Urdu. Alright? Okay, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. I'll see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, do watch this lesson, repeat many times for practice, count from 1 to 24 several times, and also practice speaking in Urdu. And for this lesson, say this is an apple, this is a banana, this is an orange, and say these sentences in Urdu as well. Okay? Alright, I'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz.